Indonesian shrimps meant for American consumers. This factory exports solely to the United States, and already payments are being delayed or not made at all. The period before Christmas is supposed to be peak season, but orders are slow. For the 1,200 workers, the future looks bleak. Alfia has worked in this factory for 9 years, but now she fears the worst.
Because of the crisis in the US and slowing demand, the factory will definitely have to lay off workers, and it will be really hard to find a new job. I'm very worried.
These are the first victims in Indonesia of the credit crisis in the United States. In East Java alone, tens of thousands of people are making a living out of this export business. And nobody dares to predict how many of these people here will lose their jobs. This crisis could even be worse than 10 years ago, predicts the chairman of the Frozen Seafood Association.
If I'm comparing to the 98, the happening of the crisis, of financial crisis, this is even more serious.
Why?
Yeah, because on that time it's only happened to the developing country like us as the producer, but this time it's happened on the market side. And not only the American market, but also because of this crisis, it is influenced also to our another market, like Japan, like European, all over the world.
Not only seafood exports are at risk, but also those in textile and footwear manufacturing. The head of the Employers Association fears serious layoffs.
Yeah, it's very hard to predict, but I still believe that will be a few 100,000 people will start to get unemployment also, because investment is not coming, and somebody have to streamline also their activities anymore. And this is something, according to me, especially the small and mediums, that cannot be, much assisted by the government.
The government has urged exporters to explore new markets, like the Middle East and Eastern Europe. But it's not that simple.
How to survive, how to maintain our worker, how to maintain the industry. So need to survive, how to feel the survive. So we are maybe considering also how to increase another market, but not switching from the America to the Middle East. It's hard, right? Because they are eating the kebab and then suddenly they need to eat the sushi.
For the shrimp peelers here, these are uncertain times. A crisis on the other side of the planet is now threatening to have a big impact on their lives. Vaessen, Al Jazeera, East Java.